If you are a freelancer or contractor, you will eventually see a request for a W-9 form. Here is what it actually does. The W-9 is technically called the Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification. Its main job is to give the person paying you the information they need to file accurate tax documents at the end of the year. The form asks for your basic identity details and your social security number or employer identification number. A W-9 is for contractors, while a W-4 is for employees. The big difference is who is responsible for withholding the taxes. When you provide a W-9, you are setting the stage to receive a 1099 form from your client at the end of the year. Always keep a blank copy of your W-9 ready, but be careful where you share it because it contains sensitive personal data. Thanks for watching. Understanding these simple forms helps you keep your business finances organized and compliant. See you next time.